You're probably waiting for a miracle to happen in order to increase your incomes. Well, I have a bad news for you guys. Stop waiting for that miracle to happen and start making yourself a favor and starting increasing your incomes with some real work out there. And I have the best one for you, which is a real work but so easily done. You can earn thousands of dollars doing this work which doesn't require any skills at all. The only thing that you will have to do, guys, is just follow my steps in which I will explain everything that you will need to know, and you will get so much money from this one. And the best news ever is that this is worldwide available, which means that doesn't matter which part of the world you're living right now because this is worldwide available. Now I want to jump as soon as possible to more information, but first I would like to thank you guys for being part of my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's start immediately and let's show the first website. In fact, the first website that I'm going to show you is Fiverr.com. I know that most of you know this website, and I know also that you don't really like it. Of course, your experience with this website is not very good because over here winning money is very difficult. Why so? Because of the big competition. People here sell services and there are thousands of people doing that. Hundreds of people, and you will have to compete with them in order to earn those money. But don't worry, guys, because today I'm not going to use and I'm not going to convince you to use this website. I'm just going to get as an example Fiverr to show you how much money you can earn with the new method that I'm going to show you today. And the new method that you are going to earn today, how you can earn money, is video ads. So what you will need to do is create video ads. Now you're probably thinking, I don't have the skills of doing that. You don't, in fact. You don't have to do those skills because I'm going to show you how you can create video ads without actually creating them. So someone else is going to do the work for you and you are going just to sell the product and give it to the client and get paid. Now let's have a look how much does this service gets paid. The reason why I'm suggesting video ads, guys, is because all of the people are so interested these days on video ads, and this is how they grow their business with video ads or their channels. So of course people will pay a lot of money for this kind of service. Let's have a look at this person over here that is selling his service for $268. Now let's make a small calculation and let's see how much does he earn for 427 clients that he had till now. Now if we make the calculation, we are going to see that he's getting 140,000 euros. That's such a big number, guys. That's such an amount of money. And you can earn this much amount of money if you are going to stick to the end of this video and learn how you can do that. Now let's have a look at someone else. So this person is giving basic, standard and premium prices. Let's have a look at the basic one, because of course now you're thinking that you're not going to put a very high price at the beginning. Of course. Now let's make the small calculation over here and let's see how much does he get with the basic price for 239 people. He will get almost 50,000 euros. I think that's a very high price. Again, that's very great amount of money because you won't find those amount of money hoping for a miracle to happen. But with this method, you really are going to get them. Now let's jump to the website in which will make you earn those money, because as I said, you are not going to use Fiverr for this one. You're going to use Legit.com. Now why Legit? Because Legit has less competition because it's a very new website and not very spread like some others. So here you won't find the competition compared to Fiverr. Now let's have a look at the competition and let's see how much people are offering video ad service. As you can see down below, only 35 people are offering this service. Now let's have a look at Fiverr and let's see how many people are selling video ad service. 11,000 services available, guys. That's such a big competition, and the chances that you will get picked up from someone are so low. While at Legit, the chances of getting picked from someone being the 35 uh, person that offers this service are very high, guys. This is why I suggest you to register immediately at Legit and start working with this method. Just click on register and you will be directed to this page in which you will have to put your full name, email, username, password, confirm password, you are interested on selling your service, prove that you are not a robot, agree to the terms and services, and register. Now after registering, now you will have to work. But as I said, you don't have to create by your own those videos because I know that most of you don't have the skills of creating those video ads. And I'm going to show you how you can do that. So first, you will need to go to this website that is going to do the work for you. It's called flixpress.com. You can find it very easily just by searching up on Google. Now here, you can create videos online in minutes. Make high quality videos for your business, YouTube, special occasions, or for fun. It's very easy to use, no experience or software required, very affordable, blazing fast, studio quality, creative freedom, and rich content. Now, as you can see, you can create HD video fast, YouTube intros, promos and ads, animated slideshows, and also video announcements, video explainers, pranks and gags, and so much more. Now you can learn more about their features and what they offer, but I'm not going to get into those kind of details. Instead, I'm going to suggest you guys to go over to the pro content examples. Here you are going to see a bunch of videos created by this website, and you are going to see how capable they are. You are going to see the ads over here, how professional they are and how good they create these videos. This is why they have like 9 million registered users, because it's a very trustworthy website. Now, in fact, this website is not totally free, and I'm going to show you, but first you will need to register. You can sign up with your Google account, or you can put your username, first name, last name, email address, password, confirm password. You agree to the terms, prove that you are not a robot, and click on register. Now after doing that, now I'm going to show you the prices because as I said, it's not completely free. In fact, the free part will make the resolutions very low. Now, if you want to get a more high resolution, you will have to pay 83 cents per month. Now, that's not a very high price, guys, compared to how much you are going to earn. Now, you are going to get over to Legit, create your account, and of course, provide your service with your own price. It might be 100, 200, it depends. Now, as soon as the clients reach out to you and it says that it wants this kind of ad, and of course they are going to need that ad, you will get over to this page, pay them 83 cents, and you are going to give to the client the product, and of course you are going to get the money that you need and also the money that you lost from here, which are only 83 cents. That's very low compared to how much you are going to earn, as I also showed you over here, guys. Now please don't forget to subscribe and also have a look at our other videos as well.